Creating multiple portals in VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management System allows you to provide a single installation of dedicated multi-tenant portals, with complete evidence and user segregation that provides portal-level autonomy for defining all portal management policies, branding, etc. to meet department-specific privacy, security, and compliance needs. You can empower public defenders to easily receive and manage evidence from prosecutors in a single location. Allow prosecutors to collect and share digital evidence quickly and easily for solving cases faster. Collect evidence from the public and enable the community to contribute to the investigation process. Similarly, you can protect the credibility of the law enforcement by covertly investigating allegations and monitoring officer activities. In this video, we will be looking at creating and configuring multiple portals in VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management System. VIDIZMO DEMS portal creation feature is only available to the administrators of an account. To create a new portal, expand the left-hand navigation menu from the portal's homepage and select the All Portals tab from the Portals tab. The All Portals screen lists all the portals that have been created under this account. Click on New Portal to proceed. By the way, there is a limit on creating portals in an account. If the limit is exceeded, the system will prompt with a warning message: "You have reached your portal creation limit." When creating a new portal, you need to provide information in a series of steps spread over 3 tabs including domain selection, portal settings and security policy. From the domain selection tab, enter the name you wish to give to the portal in the portal name text field. By default, subdomain is selected as the domain option, and it allows you to inherit the main domain's authority. You can also choose custom domain to set up each portal under an entirely different domain. Similarly, you can select directory option and define the directory under your main domain. Now enter the subdomain name in the text field. The system automatically checks for the domain name's availability and if available, places a check mark next to the field. If the domain is unavailable, the system will notify you with the following message: "This subdomain is already taken. Please select a different subdomain name for your portal." Use the HTTPS checkbox to provide secure access to the portal. Once you are done defining your domain type, click Next to proceed to the next tab. From the Portal Settings section, you can define the policy you wish to set for the portal. Allow Notes will let users to leave notes on the published evidence. Allow User-Generated Content or UGC enables viewers to upload evidence, giving them the same privileges as editors in the portal. Allow Content Moderation will enable moderation on evidence uploaded by users. Allow Sharing allows content to be shared with authorized stakeholders such as courts, lawyers, investigators, etc. Restrict portal access to managers and administrators will only allow access to the portal's managers and administrators. This option can be used to restrict viewers from accessing the portal due to maintenance-related activities. Once you are done, click Next to proceed to the next tab. The Security Policy tab allows you to define governance controls that determine who can access the portal and view uploaded evidence from the library. VIDIZMO DEMS offers certain preset configurations like public, restricted and hidden. These configurations are based on common user requirements. However, you can also customize the security policy according to your specific requirements. The public security policy is designed to make uploaded evidence in the portal accessible to everyone. Restricted security policy limits access to portal users only. Only portal users can access published evidence and portal cannot be accessed anonymously. Hidden security policy only allows portal users to view uploaded evidence on specific portals. Account users cannot access that specific portal and it also remains hidden from being listed on other portals. You can also set access control according to your preferences, by customizing the security policy and selecting options that suit your needs. Select the type of security policy you would like to implement and click Done to proceed, and a new portal will be created. From the portal's homepage, click on the menu icon on the top bar to expand the left navigation pane. The newly created portal is listed here, and when you click on the All Portals link, it will listed there in the All Portals screen. An email message will also be received containing the access link and other relevant details, confirming the creation of the portal. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of the other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management System. Stay tuned until next time.